Hello students, today we will discuss the questions, type of questions which you will face in the objective type exam, that is report test of chapter 8 and 9. So here the first question, these are not the exact questions which will come in exam, these are the sample questions. Okay, so let's start now. Secant theta plus tan theta is equal to x, then we have to find the secant theta. Think carefully that you have to use identity here. Now we know that secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. So we can write secant minus tan and secant plus tan is equal to 1. So this is here x. So secant theta minus tan theta x is equal to 1. So secant theta minus tan theta will be equal to 1 upon x, and secant theta plus tan theta is equal to x. It's given here, secant plus tan theta x given, and secant minus tan theta we have got from the identity. So now you can add first and second. So if you will add, then tan is minus here, tan is plus here. So what we will get, 2 secant is equal to 1 upon x plus x. So 2 secant theta is equal to x 1 plus x square. So secant theta is equal to 1 plus x square upon 2x. This is just sample. Try to understand it, and so answer will be B. This is the correct option. Right? Now let's move to question number 2. Try to understand, focus on it. Then only you can be able to solve questions in exam. And the questions which we have discussed, only one identity we have used, which we have discussed earlier. Now question number 2. Value of sine square 29 plus sine square 61. So how can you do that? Complementary angles we have studied. So sine square 29, sine square 61. So change this. It can be written as cos square 90, because sine is changing into cos. So cos square 90 minus 29 degree plus sine square 61. So if we subtract 29 from 90, it will be 61 degree sine square 61. Now both angles are same. You know the identity, sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So angles are same. Sine square 61 degree, here also 61 degree. So it is 1. So option 1 is the correct one. Third question. Now it is given that a cot theta plus b cosec theta is equal to p, and b cot theta plus a cosec theta is equal to Q. We have to discuss p square minus q square. We have to find this. So p is here, q is here. So we will do like this: p square minus q square is equal to, what is the value of p? Right here, a cot theta plus b cosec theta whole square, b cot theta plus a cosec theta square. Now here we have to use a plus b whole square in both this one and this one. So it will be a square cot square theta, b square cosec square theta plus 2a cot theta, 2a cot theta b cosec theta, square of this, then 2, then first one, this one, and then b cosec theta, this one. Similarly, you will write there square of this, b square cot square theta, a square cosec square theta plus 2ab cot theta cosec theta. Right? Now if we open the bracket, this thing and this thing both are same, 2ab cot theta cosec theta, 2ab cot theta cosec theta, so this will be cancelled. Now this a square is here, a square is here, a square cot square theta minus a square cosec square theta. Okay, so this one and this one we will write like this. So b square cosec square theta minus b square cot square theta. Write this. So this one and this one we have written. So take a square common. It will be cot square minus cosec square, b square cosec square minus cot square theta. So what is cot square minus cosec square theta? What was the identity? Identity was 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. So cot minus cosec will be minus 1. So it is minus 1. And cosec minus cot, जब cot उस तरफ जाएगा, so it will be 1. This will be 1. So minus a square plus b square. So option will be b square minus a square. So this option second is the correct one. Right? So now question number 4. Look carefully. Cos 9 theta is equal to sin theta. 9 theta is less than 90 because we are talking about acute angles here. We have to find tan 6 theta. So first we write cos 9 theta is equal to sin theta. So cos 9 theta is equal to, we can change this into cos. So cos 90 minus theta. What it implies? It means that both are cos. So cos 9 theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta. It implies that 9 theta is equal to 90 minus theta. So transpose this theta that side, it becomes tan theta. क्योंकि minus of सब जाएगा तो plus हो जाएगा. So what we will get? Theta is equal to 9. 9 we have got. Here theta is equal to 9. But we have to find tan 6 theta. So tan 6 theta. So tan 6 into 9 is equal to 54. So I think it should be 5. So change this into 5 theta. Exact question will be given in exam. So this was taken wrongly. So it should be tan 5 into 9. So tan 45 degree, that is equal to 1. Right? So if question like this will come, so option can be none of these here. Next question. If x tan 45 degree, cos 60 degree, sin 60, cot 60, then x is equal to what? Look here, we must know the value of all the trigonometric ratios at various angles. Tan 45 is 1, cos 60 is 1 upon 2, sin 60 is root 3 upon 2, and cot 60, it is the reciprocal of tan. So it will be 1 upon root 3. So root 3 cancel, 2 is cancelled with 2, so x is equal to 1. So this is the correct answer. Let's move to question number 6. Again you have to know the value of tan 30 degree. It is 1 upon root 3. 1 minus 1 upon root 3 square is equal to 2 upon root 3. 1 minus 1 upon 3. So it is 2 upon root 3. And when we take the LCM, it becomes 3. And 3 minus 1. So you can take like this, 2 upon root 3 upon 2 upon 3. Now 4 terms are there, so it will be multiplied with this 6 and 2 root 3, so 3 upon root 3. So if we rationalize it, you can cancel this. It can be written as root 3 into root 3 upon root 3, because root 3 into root 3 is 3. So root 3 is the correct answer, and root 3 is what? Tan 60 is root 3. So this is the correct answer. Likewise, let's move to the next question. Now theta into theta minus 45 acute angle such that this one is here. So sine theta is equal to cos 2 theta minus 45 degree. Change this one, so it becomes cos 90 minus theta cos 2 theta minus 45 degree. So we can write 90 minus theta 2 theta minus 45 degree. So 90 plus 45 is equal to, when this will go that side, it becomes 3 theta. 135 is equal to 3 theta. So theta will be is equal to 45. Right? So theta is 45. What we have to find? Tan theta. So tan 45. You know what is 1. This is the correct answer. 1 is the correct answer. Likewise. Next question now for the complementary angles again. So let's write the question first. Tan 55, cot 35, cot 1 degree, cot 2 degree, cot 3 degree dash dash. It means that cot 4 degree भी है, cot 5 degree भी है, cot 6 degree, cot 7 degree and so on, and cot 90 degree is also there. So it is 55 degree. So we will change this one, cot 90 minus 55, because tan theta is equal to cot 90 minus theta. So cot 35. Now when we were studying that time, I told you कि we will change those are having sum equal to 90 degree, or you can say that what is cot 90? What is the value of these? All are in multiplication. These are all in multiplication. Cot 90 is what? Its value is 0. So all other values are there, cot 1 degree, cot 2 degree, whatever the value is there. But if we multiply all that values, whatever the value is, suppose cot 45 will be there, its value is 1, cot 30 degree is there, root 3, many values will be there, but if we multiply it with 0, it becomes 0. So cot 90 minus 55 becomes cot 35, 90 minus 55, 35 upon cot 35. So it will be 1, 1 plus 0, so 1. C is the correct answer. Now questions from that is one, some applications of trigonometry. Angle of elevation, angle of depression were there. So a ladder 15 meter long just reaches the top of vertical wall. This is a wall, right? This is a wall and this is a ladder. CD है यहाँ पर एक 15 meter long है ये. If the ladder makes an angle of 60 degree, this is the 60 degree, then height of the wall is this height we have to find. Now angle is here, opposite to this it is perpendicular. This is 90 degree because we assume that wall is with the ground, it is making angle of 90 degree. So this is perpendicular for this angle and this is hypotenuse and this is base. So hypotenuse we know and perpendicular we have to find. So perpendicular upon hypotenuse comes in sine. So sine 60 degree is equal to, let it be h. So h upon 15. What is the value of sine 60 degree? It is root 3 upon 2. So h upon 15. So 15 will go that side. 15 root 3 upon 2. So option B is the correct option. Last question for you. The length of the shadow of a tower on the plain ground is root 3 times the height of the tower. Now shadow, this one you can see a little bit shadow is there. तो अगर टावर है उसकी शेडो इस तरफ नीचे पड़ेगी ज़मीन पर, दैट इज़ रूट 3 टाइम्स द हाइट ऑफ द टावर. अगर हम इसकी हाइट को h मान लेते हैं तो शेडो कहाँ होगी? इट विल बी ऑन द ग्राउंड. सो इट विल बी रूट 3 h, बिकॉज जितनी हाइट है उससे रूट 3 टाइम्स. राइट. लेट दिस एंगल बी थीटा. तो सन का जो एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन है वो निकालना है. मान लीजिए सन यहाँ है, तो अगर यही तो परछाई बनाएगा ना. इफ दिस इज द हाइट ऑफ द टावर इज देयर लाइक दिस. So h, this is root 3h. So theta is here. So this is perpendicular and this is base. So it comes in tan theta. So it is h upon root 3h. So h goes. So tan theta is equal to 1 upon root 3. So tan theta is 1 upon root 3. So theta will be is equal to 30 degree. So this is the correct option. These were the questions just to make you understand that how you can solve the questions in the exam and which type of questions will be there. Hope that you will get benefit of this. Thank you and have a nice day.